Actually, I don't want to go that way. I don't think. I don't remember which way I want to go, actually. Yeah, we'll go this way. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Dana with DC Ungelled, and I'm out for a little two-wheel therapy on the VSTROM. This is what I really enjoy. I actually have not been on a ride in about 4 weeks since my last camping trip, which was to the Daniel Boone National Forest. You'll find that link up above if you'd like to see that video. Please feel free. It was a really cool little trip, but that's the last camping I've done. That was 4 weeks ago, and I'm really having withdrawals. I'm having to work every day, so I am just out for a little therapy. This is what I really enjoy doing, is just riding around. And when I first bought my Honda Shadow last year, this is what I did. I just went out for, 75-mile rides and 100-mile rides and whatever. Just go out for 3 or 4 hours and just bang around and just find country roads and find some twisties. This is what I like to do. So, hopefully you just enjoy the little casual ride today. I know I'm going to enjoy it, that's for sure. When I first bought this bike 2 months ago, there's a link up in the top to when I picked it up. If you want to see that bike, see that video. But it's a moto vlog of me picking up my bike, and I hope you enjoy it. So, but this is what I love. I love the twisties. And I just enjoy riding in the country. This is my therapy session. I much needed this. Forgot what it was like to just ride. I don't have a car anymore, so this is my only mode of transportation. So I'm actually on the bike every day. I don't really get to enjoy the bike. So I commute every day to work. It's not a very long commute, so got rid of the car. Didn't need to pay for a car anymore. My big trip starting next June. Going to leaving for indefinitely, really. I plan on going for 6 months to all the national parks, all the national forests and stuff like that. I can't wait to get on that trip. But today I'm just heading up towards Mammoth Cave National Park through all the back roads, and such a beautiful afternoon. It has been so hot lately. It is so beautiful out. It's only 80 degrees, and it's so nice to not have to sweat like crazy on the bike. So if you're new to my channel, please take the time to subscribe, come back. I'm going to be going on a lot more travels when I get some more time. But please like this video if you could, if you like it. If you don't like it, that's fine too. But if you like it, please hit the like button down below. And maybe it'll share it with other people. Just enjoy the therapy. Try to find a place for lunch. That's my next stop. And we're gonna go head over to the Mammoth Cave National Park. Kind of cool living so close to a national park, but not like the parks out west, but you know. Hey, we're at the Green River Ferry. Alright, leaving Mammoth Cave National Park. Actually, I don't want to go that way. I don't think. I don't remember which way I want to go, actually. Yeah, we'll go this way. We're leaving Mammoth Cave National Park, and we are going to be heading home. I hope everybody liked this video. Just a nice little therapy session, like I said. If you did like the video, please hit the like button. It'll help me out, and hit subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you will be notified about any of my travels or adventures or vlogs or whatever. I have fun doing it, and hopefully you had fun watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. Well, if you made it all the way to this part of the video, that means you watched the whole thing. Or you just fast forwarded through the whole video, and I still appreciate you going to the end, so which is awesome. Tell me what you like to do on your motorcycle, where you like to go, where you like to travel, if you just like to take a Sunday drive, if you like to go camping. Tell me what you like to do on your bike, and I would love to hear it. I'd love to hear some feedback on my videos. Tell me the good, the bad, the ugly, whatever you want to tell me. That's okay. I can take it. And hopefully you hit the like button and the subscribe again, and everybody else will get to see it too. So tell me what you like to do on your bike. See ya.